The new frontier of global finance, fractional banking with SBLC MT760. The world of finance is constantly evolving. New instruments emerge, offering innovative solutions to age-old challenges. One such innovation is fractional banking with SBLC MT760. This groundbreaking approach is transforming the way banks and borrowers access capital, particularly in the realm of international trade and project finance. Traditional SBLCs and LCs serve as guarantees for financial obligations. They provide security but often tie up significant capital. Fractional banking with SBLC MT760 disrupts this model. It allows banks to leverage their existing assets to issue multiple SBLC MT760 instruments. This fractional approach unlocks liquidity and amplifies lending capacity. This mechanism benefits both banks and borrowers. Banks can generate increased revenue streams through fees and commissions. Borrowers gain access to larger loans with potentially lower interest rates. This innovative approach is particularly beneficial for large-scale projects requiring substantial capital injections. The emergence of non-rated international SBLC MT760 instruments further enhances this potential. These instruments operate outside the traditional credit rating system. This flexibility opens doors for borrowers who may not have access to credit through conventional channels. This accessibility expands the possibilities for funding projects across various sectors and geographies.
Enhancing credit and accessing capital. How Row Finance empowers banks and borrowers. Row Finance plays a pivotal role in this financial revolution. The company specializes in structuring and facilitating SBLC MT760 transactions. They connect borrowers with banks equipped to provide these innovative financial instruments. Row Finance's expertise lies in leveraging the power of non-rated international SBLC MT760 instruments. These instruments typically come with a low loan-to-value ratio. This means borrowers can access substantial loans by pledging a relatively small percentage of the project's value as collateral. This approach empowers borrowers to secure funding for ambitious projects that might have been deemed too risky or capital-intensive through traditional lending channels. It opens up a world of possibilities, particularly for projects in developing countries with high growth potential. Row Finance's role extends beyond simply connecting borrowers and lenders. They work closely with both parties to structure transactions that are mutually beneficial. This includes negotiating favorable terms, mitigating risks, and ensuring compliance with all regulatory requirements.
Mitigating risks, maximizing returns, insurance and reinsurance in SBLC MT760 transactions. While fractional banking with SBLC MT760 presents a compelling opportunity, it's essential to address the inherent risks involved in any financial transaction. Row Finance understands this imperative and prioritizes risk management as a cornerstone of its operations. To safeguard both banks and borrowers, Row Finance incorporates comprehensive insurance and reinsurance measures into every SBLC MT760 transaction. These measures act as a safety net, providing financial protection in case of unforeseen events that could disrupt the project or impact repayment obligations. Insurance policies cover potential risks, such as non-payment by the borrower, political instability, or natural disasters. Reinsurance further strengthens this protection by distributing the risk among multiple insurers. This multifaceted approach minimizes the financial exposure of both banks and borrowers, fostering confidence and encouraging participation in these innovative financing models. By implementing these robust risk mitigation measures, Row Finance ensures the long-term viability and sustainability of fractional banking with SBLC MT760. This commitment to security fosters trust among all stakeholders and paves the way for responsible and sustainable growth in the global financial landscape.
Securing funding without tying up your assets can be a game changer. With SBLC MT760, businesses like ours can unlock capital while maintaining liquidity. It's truly a win-win situation.
Imagine the possibilities for emerging economies when they leverage SBLC MT760. By utilizing this financial instrument, countries can attract more investments, stimulate growth, and ultimately, improve the quality of life for their citizens. The potential is, well, truly transformative.
As we've seen, SBLC MT760 offers tremendous benefits for businesses and economies alike. Now, it's time for banks and financial institutions to step up. By embracing this powerful tool, they can not only support their clients, but also contribute to global economic growth. So let's take action and make a difference.